There are other books of Sahih. The other books of Sahih that we know, that Bukhari and Muslim are only two books which are 100% authentic. And scholars even say that Imam Muwatta Malik, all Sahih. So for a layman, if he wants to know, he cannot do research. If the hadith of Bukhari or Muslim or Imam Muwatta Malik, safely he can say this hadith is Sahih. Otherwise, he has to check whether it is Sahih or not. There were other books of hadith compiled by scholars saying it's completely Sahih, but the scholars don't agree everything is Sahih. After Bukhari and Muslim, there is a compilation of Sahih ibn Khuzaymah. According to Suyuti, Sahih ibn Khuzaymah, after Bukhari Muslim, there are some hadiths which scholars say is not Sahih, but it comes in the third level. The fourth is Sahih ibn Hibban. Then there is the fifth book, it's Mustadrak al-Hakim. He also claims everything is Sahih, but the scholars differ and they say that everything is not Sahih. So these three books compiled as everything is Sahih. Most of them, almost all are Sahih, but not everything. In the other Kutub al-Sittah, the four books, when Imam Dawood, when he compiled, his main objective wasn't to compile only Sahih Hadith. His objective was to compile Hadith which solves matter of Salah or of Wudu or of other aspects. Same with the other Muhaddithin, Imam Nasai, Imam Tirmidhi or Imam Ibn Majah. Their purpose wasn't to compile Sahih. Majority are Sahih. So that's the reason they themselves mention in the collection that this hadith is Sahih. They have done that. But for a layman, for him to know hadith is Sahih, if it's a hadith of Bukhari or a Muslim, it is safe to call it Sahih. Or if it's a hadith which is there in Imam Muwatta Malik, it is safe to be Sahih. Any other hadith, he has to go and check up what have the muhaddithin said, and then he can decipher whether it is Sahih or not. This was in brief what I've mentioned. It is just scratching the surface. It is just scratching the surface on the science of hadith. It's a huge science. Because of this, we know today, alhamdulillah, all the minute details of the last and final messenger, our beloved Prophet Muhammad. There is no human being on the face of the earth whose life has been preserved with so minute detail. It is all because of the hadith that we have. And when Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Hijr, chapter number 15, verse number 9, that we have revealed the Quran and we shall guide from corruption. The word here used is zikr. It surely means the Quran, and many of the muhaddith and scholars says it also includes the Sahih Hadith. That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has revealed the Quran, we give it the zikr, and also the Sahih Hadith, and He will see to it that He protects it.